Welcome back to our new video. Today, I will show you how to edit this preset in Lightroom Mobile. Before we start the video, do subscribe our channel for more videos and also press the bell icon to get notified on time. Here are some example photos before and after using this filter. The DNG file is protected by password. To get this preset, the password will appear at the upper right corner of the screen as a card. Now let's start the editing. First, copy the tone curve of the preset. The preset link is given in the description. Now paste the tone curve setting on the photo which you want to edit. After this, go to Light and follow the steps. Now go to Curve, and make a curve like this. Or, you can directly copy the tone curve from the preset as like I do in the start. After this, go to Color option and follow the steps. Now, go to Color Mix. Now, go to Effects and follow the steps. After this, go to Split Tone. Now, go to Detail and follow the steps. To apply this preset on more photos, just simply click on the three dots in the upper right corner, and click on Copy Settings. Now, open another photo and again click on the three dots and then click on Paste Settings.